Hello everyone, ASR Trades here. No face cam today because you guys are losers. And if you guys did not watch the stream, oh, what are you guys doing, bro? I swear only one person was there I can vouch for, bro. Only one person there that I can vouch for, and his name is Ace the Goat. Alright, I'm sorry. His name is Ace the Goat, okay? That's the only person I can vouch for that stream, bro. That's the only person, okay? That's Ace is the I'd say right now Ace is the undisputed GOAT, okay? I don't think there's anyone who's there's some people there that's getting there, but I'd say Ace right now is like the GOAT viewer for me. And also thank you for 30 subscribers. W milestone. Next milestone I'd say is about 40. We can up it a notch. I was going by increments of 5, but since we hit 30, my next subscriber goal is gonna be 40. Also, if I could, I think there's a way. I don't know if there's a way to look at my subscribers. I don't think. I mean, what if I go to customize channel? Imagine you guys just see a picture of me butt booty. Man, these videos. I don't have any unreleased videos, so you guys don't have to worry about that. Community, boom, community. Okay. We got the GOAT right here, the GOAT Ace. Yes, sir. We got Layers, the GOAT. We got my boy Keyman, the GOAT. Matthew, GOAT. We got Nas, the GOAT. And look at my boy Ace appearing up here. He's the only notice how Ace is the only person who appears on here twice, bro. Ace is the only person that appears on here twice. Legit. He's the only person that appears on here twice. So I just gotta say, thank you for all the support, my boy Ace. You deserve it, bro. I ain't gonna lie. You the GOAT, bro. You the GOAT, bro. Ace, you are the GOAT. Now let's get back into the video. If you guys did not watch the stream, we did take a W today. I think it was about $100. So yeah, we did take a W today. Now I will remove all these drawings for you. Remove. Now we did not have any news today. That was kind of my bias, because if we go over to Forex Factory, boom, go over to Forex Factory. Yeah, we had no news today, and yesterday news did not come in hot or cold. So yeah, news tomorrow. We have FOMC meet. Oh my gosh, we have FOMC meeting minutes. This is basically just gonna summarize. I'm pretty sure this is basically just summarizes everything. Times. Yep, a detailed report of the estimate. Yep, bro's most recent meeting. So this is basically everything they said behind the scenes. And basically just summed up into one. And if we check yields, do we have yields open? Yeah, we have yields open right here. Yields are up, so that means we're going to be bearish. 2-year and 5-year are both up, so we're going to be bearish today. And there's no news, so yields, a lot of people probably looked at yields and basically were saying, yeah, let's be short today. Go over on the higher time frame. We don't really have anything except for this SMT we had to about these highs. Okay, so we can mark it out. SMT, boom to boom. Actually, we might have swept out those highs. Yeah, we did. So it's just gonna be these highs, not that. Now you might be saying, well, ASR, a high is a move up and a move down, not a move down and a move up. This is some knowledge I'm gonna teach you guys. I haven't showed that many people. Well, some people might know about it, but if you have a Doge candle like this right next to an up candle, this is basically signifying that yes, this is a up candle. So we have a move up, and then we have another move up, even though it's showing a Doge candle. So it's basically gonna say yes, this is still a move up. So we have a move up, move down. That is a high. Okay. And then you might be saying once again, hey, what is this? This means we have a down candle followed by a Doge candle. This right here is a high on a lower time frame. Okay, we go over to MES. MES did not sweep out this, so I can backspace on that. If we boom to boom, swept out these highs. MQ did not sweep out these highs, so we're gonna have an SMT all the way down to the lows that connect that low. So that's gonna be here, and then you could say this is trend line. You could say this is trend line. So yeah, that could have been your bias for the day. And I know it was my bias for the day. Now if we go down to the 15 minute now since we're going down lower time frames, let's mark out market open. Boom, market open right here. Go over to MES. And it's 10:15 right now, so technically I could still take a trade, but there's not really many left. Okay, and we're showing signs of reversal right here too. So boom, market open right here. You look at any confluences you have before market open. Do you guys notice any confluences? I'll give you a second, even though I haven't taught you guys any. Actually, yeah, I don't know. I haven't taught you guys any confluences. We have this 15-minute for value gap. Yes, we have this 15-minute for value gap. Boom. Okay, you probably can't see because the market open, so I'll backspace that. But you have this 15-minute 15 minute for value fill. All right, that's what we have. We have this 15-minute for value gap fill. Go over here. MES. MES does not have it, but yeah, MES just has this order block that we kind of just did whatever the frick we wanted. That's where I took the trade on MES because we were a little bit more bearish over there. But if we go down to the 5-minute, we look over here at this at this down candle where this 15-minute for value gap get filled. We do also have a 5-minute. Boom, got filled all the way. Swept out a high, made it low after that, then made a lower low and a lower high. That also signifies that we're in a downtrend. If we go over here, where is it? What was I looking for? Market open is at 35. So you could have technically shorted market open. That would not have been a bad idea. Because you have fair value gap fill, SMT, yields, and displacement out of the fair value gap. Other than that, you could probably also go also into this 1-minute. We have this 1-minute fill right here. Did we inverse this 1-minute? If we did not inverse this 1-minute, this could have been a huge trade for whoever. We did inverse this 1-minute, so that probably would not have worked. But you could have boom right here. We had a down candle out of this. Technically, you would not have known that we were going to inverse this right here. Boom, we have a down candle. Boom, short right here. You could have took the 1-to-1, or you could have took the one down to these lows, or you could have even took you could have took whatever, and it would have worked because we were really bearish today. And the trade that I did, I traded on MES. Now the reason why I traded on ES was because boom, if we come over here, we have this big liquidity sweep to the upside. 15-minute for value gap fill. Boom. 15-minute for value gap fill. Check. Manipulation. Check. Displacement out of the value gap. Check. Swap a high. Check. SMT check. We have everything screaming. Yields, VIX, DXY, everything screaming that we're gonna be bearish. We do also have this. This is not the one I caught, but we do have this that you could have. We boom poked our heads into here. Down candle could have shorted. Me personally, I didn't take this one. Wait, I might have. Did I? Yeah. I did take. Wait, what was it? 9. Let me go check my phone. Which one I took? Go to chart. Looks like I shorted at 9:05. Okay, I shorted at 9:05. So that's gonna be this candle right here. Yep. Okay. Yep. Looks like I did get that. Boom. Up candle. Mark this out. What do we get? Displacement out of it. Boom. Short right here. Clockwork. Boom. Could have took the 1-to-1. Me personally, I targeted whatever lows down there was. Whatever these lows was. I targeted that. And after we kind of swept this out a little bit, I don't know when it was, but I kind of removed my take profit and then I like set it down to like right here because it was just, oh yeah, I remember now. It was at the very top of this one. It was at the very top of this one because there was like some highs over here and I was like, yeah, we're not going to sweep that out. Even if we do sweep that out, then that's not going to be that big of a loss for me. And yeah, this is ES, but I did it on MES, but they're the same thing, so it's not really gonna matter that much. Another trade. Let's say you're want to go make some cereal, want to go make some breakfast, whatever. You can boom. If you just came back to the market, let's say you came back to the market over here, boom. Mark this for value gap out, boom. Down candle out of it, short. Take the 1-to-1, boom. That would have worked too. You had three shorts you could have took today. You had three retraces. You had market open retrace. Boom, could have shorted, took the 1-to-1. We had this for I got fill. Boom, could have shorted, took the 1-to-1, or the 1-to-2, 1-to-3. 1-to-3 was a max. I'm pretty sure you could have did today. Let me see. Boom, 1-to-1, 1-to-2, 1-2. Actually, you could have did a 1-to-4. Oh no, you could have did a 1-to-3. If we move this up right here, we could have did a max. You could have did was probably, you're not gonna predict that. Max you could have did was a 3-to-1. Okay, realistically, max you could have did was a 3-to-1. So yeah, boom, could have shorted market open. Boom, could have shorted this retrace. Boom, could have shorted this retrace. And yeah, market gave you guys a lot of opportunities today. Even though I have not taught you guys value gap imbalances and all that, I have taught you guys sweep of highs and candlesticks. That's all I really want you guys to know for now. I will be uploading probably not a trading video tomorrow, but like teaching you guys whatever you want to learn next. If nobody says anything in the comments, what you want to learn next, what you want to learn next. Wait, what you want to learn next? See, my brain's just. If nobody types in the comment whatever you want to learn next, I'll just do whatever I think you guys should learn next. So that's gonna be that, and yeah, we had good trading today, baby. So yeah, thank you. Also, shout out to Ace once more. Ace is W. I ain't going. I don't know why God blessed me with Ace. Such amazing viewer at this early in my day trading YouTube channel. But hey, I gotta say thanks to Ace. You're the GOAT. Yeah, you're the GOAT, Ace. And I'm expecting Ace to watch to the end, okay? So Ace, if you see this, type let's see, Ace. Type um type type dang it, why is it so hard? Type Clash of Clans. Type Clash of Clans down in the comment, and I'm gonna know if you. I feel like Ace. I trust Ace to watch the video to the end enough. So yeah, we had a good stream today, good trading today. Only Ace was there. Ace was my only viewer today, so W Ace, and I appreciate you for that. You're a real one, and that's gonna be it. So bottom of my heart, thank you guys for 30 subscribers, and that's gonna be it. Peace.